If you're looking for a delicious Italian soup, then you're going to want to keep watching. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, today I am making a meatball and cheese tortellini soup. It is going to be so delicious. It has everything that I love, and I think you guys are going to enjoy it as well. So we're going to jump right in, go over all the ingredients, and then get started. Alrighty, I have some black pepper, salt, grated Parmesan cheese. I have about a cup and a half of frozen chopped spinach, some red pepper flakes, Italian seasoning. I have about 25 small mini pre-made frozen meatballs that I thawed. I have a container of beef stock. I have a can of diced tomatoes, a can of tomato sauce, minced garlic, 3 cheese tortellini, and some chopped onion. And friends, that is all the ingredients. Now let's go ahead and put this together. Alright, we're going to go ahead, turn the stove on, and get started. We're going to put a little bit of olive oil in the pan just to get those onions sauteed. So we're going to go ahead and get that heated up. And as soon as that's heated up, we'll go ahead and add in our onion. Alright, my friends, we're going to go ahead and throw in our onion. The pan is nice and hot. Just going to saute them till they get soft. So we're going to let them go for about a minute or two, and then we'll add in our garlic. Alrighty, we're going to go ahead now and add in our garlic. I have 4 cloves of minced garlic. Okay, you want to just keep stirring, you don't want to burn it. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and add in my meatballs. I have about 25 thawed meatballs here. We're just going to brown them up real quick. And we're just going to let them go for a few minutes till they get brown, and then we'll finish adding the rest of our ingredients. Alrighty, friends, it's getting nice and brown. We'll let it go for about another 2 minutes or so, and then we'll finish up and add the rest of the ingredients. Alrighty, friends, I think we are good. I'm going to go ahead and add in my spinach now. Just get that stirred up really well, mixed together. It's starting to smell good. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in, I have 1 can, 15 ounces of tomato sauce. Mix that up really well. And then I'm going to add in 14.5 ounces of diced tomato along with the juice. Mix that well. And then I have 1 32-ounce carton of beef broth. You can use chicken broth or vegetable broth if you'd like. Any of those will work. And you can also add a little bit of cream, heavy whipping cream in here if you want. I don't have any, or I probably would have. Just like maybe a half a cup or so. Alrighty. Get that a good stir. I'm going to go ahead, let this come to a quick boil. Actually, I'll go ahead and add my spices. We're going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add in a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. And 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. And a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Alrighty. Now we're going to give that a good stir. I'm going to go ahead and let this come to a boil, and then we're going to let it simmer for about 20 minutes. And then we'll come back in and add in our tortellini and our Parmesan cheese. Alrighty, give it a nice good stir. Just let it simmer. We'll check back. Alright, 20 minutes has been up. I'm going to go ahead and add in my tortellini. I have 20 ounces of 3 cheese tortellini. This is from the refrigerated section. Get that stirred in there. And we're just going to cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Alrighty, and then once that's done, we'll go ahead and add our cheese in there. So we'll check back in a few. Alright, my friends, I'm going to go ahead and add in a 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Mix that up well. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of parsley. Give this a good stir. Does that look delicious or what? I'm going to throw some garlic bread in to serve with it. And then we're going to do a little taste test. Alright, my friends, so here we go. We're going to do a quick little taste test. It's going to be hot. Ooh. Really good flavor. Yum, yum, yum. Delicious. So friends, that'll do it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, go ahead, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. And also, please go check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye!